So today we're talking about Pluto's reassignment as a planet. It's crazy, right? My name is Ryan Giuliacci. We got Cameron, get on in here, and Britton. So first fact, Pluto was discovered in 1930 and was considered the 9th planet of our solar system for 76 years.
So basically, Pluto was named after a Roman god of the underworld and was named by an 11-year-old girl.
There he is.
76 years, they found a lot of similar worlds within the Kuiper Belt, which then led to Pluto's reassignment as a dwarf planet.
Here's the Kuiper Belt. Pluto's right there.
The classification of a dwarf planet from NASA's website is a celestial body resembling a small planet but lacking certain technical criteria that are required for it to be classed as such. Keep that in mind while we're talking about Pluto. Also, another reason why Pluto is considered a dwarf planet is because of its thin atmosphere of carbon monoxide and nitrogen methane.
Pluto's atmosphere is negative 387 Fahrenheit.
That's why no organism could live there because it's way too cold. So that's also another reason why it can't sustain life. From NASA's website, as you can see, there are like cryovolcanoes on the surface that are possible, which could also show that there's water underneath the surface of Pluto with this illustration right here, where there's a liquid water core, but there's all this on top of it that prevents that from happening because it's freezing up in there. Some of the most recent findings about Pluto is that there are wide mountain ranges as well as deep nitrogen ice glacier valleys that are 183 miles from the equator of Pluto. And this is important because it shows that there is a terrain on Pluto, discarding its icy structure and all the ways that it can't sustain life because of how cold it is. This shows that there are still environments within Pluto.
Dude, I'm really pondering this fact real quick. Why is Pluto not able to sustain life? It just...
Pluto does not have a sun to orbit around. Pluto does not have a sufficient mass to assume hydrostatic equilibrium. Pluto also does not clear its neighborhood around its orbit.
Do scientists still have questions?
Does Pluto have plates or earthquakes just like Earth? Does Pluto have 4 seasons? Just how cold is the planet Pluto, and what processes would a person go through because of the cold if they were on the planet for a certain amount of time? And how does Pluto compare in size to Earth and landforms of the Earth?